talk? You're eating?
Mommy talk.
Mommy can talk? Eli can't talk?
I got some.
You dropped some?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What are you eating?
Buggy.
Can you say spa? Getty?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
Good. Is the spaghetti good?
Uh-huh.
What did we do tonight after school?
No.
What cars did we see?
No.
Did we see your favorite car?
See, my favorite was van.
Your favorite red.
No.
What's your favorite car?
Jeep.
That's right. We saw your favorite red Jeep and your favorite black van. Who else did we see?
No.
Shadow
Yeah.
and Debbie.
Mm-hmm. Mommy got her mail.
That's right. Debbie got her mail. And then she went inside to give Shadow his dinner, her dinner. What's Shadow's dinner going to be?
Buggy.
Spaghetti, just like...
Me.
That's right.
My buggy almost cooked.
Almost cooked.
Mm-hmm.
It's al dente.
That's running cold.
That's the Nordstrom sale magazine.
So buggy.
Sale magazine, that's right. See anything you like?
Mm-hmm. Put in this buggy.
You want more spaghetti?
Mm-hmm.